Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to sell a shirt and please donate. To start, open or create.roblox.com or in roblox.com select create on the upper left. Once you're now on your dashboard, the next step is to select avatar items. On avatar items, select t-shirts, then scroll down, then select the specific t-shirt. On avatar items on the left corner, select configure. Now turn on sale. Now give it a price in Robux. Once done, select save changes on the bottom right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.